How to change Instagram Explore feed. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Click on the search icon. With that, you will land to the Explore feed page. Now at the top, you'll see the search box. Tap over there. Now in this page, you're going to find all of your search history. Now you have to remove this. So go ahead and click on this option of See All. Click on Clear All. Click on Clear All. Likewise, now head towards your Explore feed page. Now the posts and videos that you are not interested in, what you can do is open it. At the top right corner of the post, you will find three dots. Click on it. Now click on Not Interested. Now you won't get related posts in your Explore feed. So this is how you can control what you see on the Explore page by selecting Unwanted Posts and Reels and choosing Not Interested. Well, that's a wrap on this video. This is how you can easily change Instagram Explore feed. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.